This is my beautiful griffin. Oh god, the leg. She's so pretty. Get away from these people. This is my jackal. He's so beautiful. This is my pretty starry, what I was saying earlier. So beautiful. My silly little rabbit. Techno rabbit. And my electrifying raptor. He's so cool. And then, oh, no, this one. Mounts. These are what everybody buys. This one's pretty cool. That's pretty neat too. Rabbit. Where's my griffin? That one's kind of weird. It's my favorite. And I don't know what this is. This is new. I haven't played this game in a while. That's really kind of creepy. Weird. So anyways, so you can come in here and all of mine are purple, but that's what it originally looks like. And when you come over here and you go to dyes, mounts, you can change it absolutely any color you want to. See? If I come here, I can change this. I like mine purple. This is your weapons. And then here is trading post. This is eternity. Whoop, I don't want to preview. So this is one that I want. It gives a trail behind you. It's pretty neat. And this one. Same thing, but black. And then there is, I have this one already. Pretty rainbow. It shoots at rainbows and unicorns. I'm looking for, oh, it's probably not on here. Somebody probably, oh, that's not it. The hell is it? It's not eternity. It's not that one either. Is it this one? No, it's not that one either. One of these swords has the star footprints, because when you get a legendary, you get the star footprints. And where am I going? Where's my map? And this map is so big. These are the places that I have completed. These places I have not. But I want to go this way. To the bank. This thing's pretty cool. Oh, now it's not going to load because I can't, because my character is not the one to have that. And then over here, you see all the Starry Night. I don't want to be on there. I suppose them aren't that cool. No. It's pretty neat. Equinox. There is literally so many different kinds of weapons. There's other rooms in here too, but I'm not going to go there. There are so many weapons and different colors in this game and different outfits and different everything that, unless you actually try to copy somebody, I've never seen two characters that look alike. I can come over here to my, that's my material storage, all the things that I've picked up. Quite a bit. Your wardrobe. So this is like extra, like, outfits and different things that you can earn or buy, or the cool thing is you can preview them. That's kind of sexy. I have a really cool outfit, the Zodiac. If I go... No, I don't want to go there. I want to go to my hero. Wardrobe. Back. So this is Maudry. You can't see it because my bow's in the way, but it's a living, breathing plant, and when you feed it, it gives you gifts. Got my wings. This is for PvP. Little doggy. He's so cute. Where's the Zodiac? Did I spell it wrong? There we go. I'm changing all this. I gotta get the headgear. So this is what the Zodiac looks like. Yeah, I don't want to wear that, thanks very much. And then this is the store. You can actually take in-game currency and trade it for gems to buy things in here, but it takes a lot. So you have like the different harvesting tools, like the pickaxe, animal ones. You get little miniatures. They just do different things. It's kind of cool. You get these little things that can follow you around. So like, I think it's miniatures. I have this little thing following me around right now, but you can have all of these. They're all different, and you get them all different ways, but you can still preview them, and some of them are really, really awesome. And some of them are just really weird. But it keeps going and going and going and going and going. They don't do anything just for looks, but you have your pets. I have this little wyvern that follows me around right here. And these are my abilities for that. And I can tell it to guard me, avoid combat, return. And I can change them. You actually tame these in the wild. You have to go find them and make them yours, and then you can use them. But this is the best one for what I'm doing right now. Game options. No. Best performance. Stupid fucking computer. Pay $2,000 for this crap. There we go. So it looks a little crappier, but because I'm video recording, I don't want to be lagging. I need to go this way? Yeah. No, wrong one. I need to be over here. So you have portals that you can unlock, and then it's just so much faster. So I guess it's kind of like the other game. You have all your daily things that you can do to get chests and achievements. These are all the other achievements that you can get. Most of them give you different things, which is nice. Mounts can't be used in here. These are like dungeons. I don't know where everybody is. I'm totally gonna die. I can switch to my longbow. Either way, I'm gonna die. These people are too hard.